My ringer was off.
Yeah.
My phone didn't do it. Is that bad?
Mine didn't make a sound.
I don't think it did it yet. Well, why didn't mine do it?
Yeah,
Guys,
mine's early.
mine do.
If it, I don't know if you're supposed to follow up if it didn't.
Oh, yeah,
Mine went off again.
Mine's fine.
So,
It probably
you guys
went
know
out.
what this is for, right?
No.
Kind of. Like, if there were ever like a national emergency and they needed to get information to everybody right away, this would be the way.
Like what's on the crumble menu this week?
Literally. Wait, what is on the phone?
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.